Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can watch YouTube videos on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Now there is no official YouTube app for Galaxy Watches or for Wear OS. So we are going to utilize a loophole here. First of all, what you need to do is go in your Play Store and download Samsung Internet. Once you have installed it, go in your app drawer and find it. Tap on it and it will launch. Now here right off the bat you will see that we have some bookmarks. So we have YouTube, Google, weather and Samsung. Then you get to see some phone bookmarks. Go in settings, you can delete your browsing data as well, but we are concerned with YouTube. So let's go ahead and take a look at YouTube. Tap on it and it will launch a full YouTube web page for you. Now you can swipe in from the edges to navigate the page like this. And you can also sign in to YouTube and watch your subscription videos. To go up and down, simply rotate your bezel and it will start scrolling the web page for you. And then you can pinch to zoom in and out of this web page as well. And if you look carefully, we have this bar at the bottom. So if we swipe up, you can add this page to the bookmarks. You can tap show on phone and it will go to your phone. And then there is the zoom mode. So if you turn on the zoom mode, you can then use the bezel to change the page zoom instead of scrolling the page. So now you can just scroll the bezel and it will zoom in and out of this page. And if you zoom out fully, you can then see the entire YouTube web page on this tiny screen, and then you can just swipe up and down to scroll it. Then you can also swipe up between these shorts and you can watch shorts on your Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, which is crazy, but you can do it. So now this is the full-on video and you can actually make it full screen as well. So there you go, now we are in full screen. And then when the video is playing, you can just scroll the bezel to control the volume. So there you go, that's how you can watch YouTube videos on your Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. So once you get the hang of it, it is pretty easy to operate, and of course you can watch any video or even shorts. You can go full screen, change resolution, skip a video, and even sign into your account. You can also watch your subscriptions and pretty much do anything that you can do on the YouTube app on your phone. And that's about it from this video guys. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.